lock this in. No. It's fucking right! Oh, this is it. This is it, Marv. Don't get scared now. No! I almost had the monster on him! No! What kind of freaking power was that, dude? What, I hit it with my freaking No! Okay, I bumped him off of it, though.
Time-loving kind.
What the f*** is that? Shut up! Oh my god, why is that so loud? What is that? Dude, whoever did that is gonna suffer! Joybits! Yo, mods, ban him now. Ban him ASAP, no Rocky, dude. Get him out. Get him out. Mods, get him out! Clubs, thank you for the raid. Appreciate that, big dog. Thank you. W Club in the chat. Oh, yeah. Yeah, sorry, big dog. That's internet. Yes! This is not the time, dude. This is not the time. Chat, this is not, dude. These are Ranko games. Like, we're on the way to freaking diamond. It's alright though. Yep, and that's in your case. Dude, just shut up! I want you to ban them. I'm there. God! I'm not gonna hit anything. I promise, my lady, I was not gonna do any more physical harm to this room. I'm not gonna punch another freaking hole in the wall. Just turn off your gifts. Someone said I'm not able to do that. Bro! Not even worried here. See, I'm in reverse. I'm not even worried at all. Look at him. He's terrible at the game. Nice try, dweeb.
Time-loving kind.
No! Stop it! How do I turn off the super annoying gift on TikTok that starts singing songs? Not trying to have freaking sexual relations with this man. At least not today, given my circ. Yes! Walk me in. Hey there, Delilah. What's it like in New York City? Yes, it's Alright, next game we play, gotta do no boost. That would be Skinny. Skinny, would you like to 1v1? Got no jump, and then we'll see what we get. What's good, RX? How we doing, big dog? You called my master cat devil. You're joking. What? Fucking shit.
Anyone remember what the onion's for? How many gifts? I don't remember. But it's about to go bad. It's sitting on our kitchen counter.
Alright, we can lock this in. Oh my gosh, you're an idiot. You're a freaking idiot. That's Schlot in your freaking cage. Yeah, watch it. Nice try, French fry. Can you get off my salad, please? It's okay, we can lock this in. Oh yeah, Shalada. Over your dome. Gotta stay calm. I gotta stay calm. No, Jay, you're good. Don't worry about it, dude. Why are we saying be careful? You should have been careful, idiot. Holy aura loss, dweeb. Maybe a Scottish onion. It's probably a Scottish onion. Sounds Scottish. Make that. That's in your cage. What? Oops. That's unfortunate. That's in. That and the hatches. We don't. Yo, gang. I don't live in the freaking 20th century, dude. Like, we don't have hatches. That's a lot of. I'm there. Wow, nice freaking. You're in danger. You're in danger. You're in danger. Motherfucker! Oh yeah, and you're in danger. That's in. Yes! Watch that freaking psycho! Who sings that shit? Shawn Mendes? That's a lot of. Oh my fucking god! And that's in your cage, buddy. Get in! Can you guys relax with the moans and wait till game's over, please and thank you? I'm in perfect position. Crazy save, I know. Everybody hold your weight. Bro! You're gonna die for that. You're gonna suffer for that. You're gonna suffer for that! That's it, dude. That's it! That's unfortunate. Can that bounce in? It's not gonna bounce in. Yes! Let's fucking go. Why so serious? Because this guy's fucking toxic and he's smurfing. He's a toxic smurf. He's not typing anything, but he's fucking annoying. You're dead. What? He's gonna expect me to chow it. Faking. Got your bitch ass. And I'm there. And you're bumped. And that's in your cage. Bye-bye. He left. Every time I get a chance to love. Thank you, Coltsy. Appreciate that, big dog. Oh yeah, it's clip time. Oh my god! Yo, baby! That's in your cage. Aura! Let's go, dude. But I think Daddy's got everybody beat, if I'm gonna be honest here. Holy shit! It's basically whoever wins the first game, it takes it home. Because by the second or third game, someone might be crunk already. Is Justin ready for this clip?
Oh. What clip? What clip? You ready for this?
I got a lag reset.
Popping. Oh, going up. Faking. Faking. Faking!
I'm there.
Yo, what happened there? Take that sip! Take that sip! Oh.
Let's go!
Starting off strong. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Ah!
Joke's on you. I'm a retired alcoholic.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Uh-oh. Oh. Ooh, okay.
You weren't ready for that one, were you?
Slotted ball game.
Yeah, it's not in. GG's. What?
That's another sip!
Justin?
Dude,
You know, if you,
it's happen. It's gonna happen, baby.
Nah, I got vengeance on my side.
Yeah? What you gonna do here? What you gonna do
Batman,
here? Oh,
dude.
you're gonna take it up?
I'm freaking
Slot
Batman.
it?
Slot
Shoot it?
corner. Yes! Take a sip, big dog.
You hear this thing? Oh, you hear that crack? You hear that crack?
Oh my gosh, it sounds like a slurp juice.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Ooh.
Alright, chat.
Ooh, that shit's strong. That shit's strong. Uh-oh.
That's off.
Ball game. Slotted. Hey, come on.
Oh, I was faking.
Ooh. Oh my God! Say that! Say that!
That's not in.
Oh! Faking! Give me that boost. What?
Oh yeah, Justin. Yo, you saved this?
Oh! What you gonna do? Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, I'll take the boost too. Kidding. Faking.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Slotted.
Oh, that's in your cage. Sorry, big dog.
my guy.
Yes.
Alright, go up. Alright, okay.
Someone said they sound so similar. Yeah, it's because we came out of the same womb. We're brothers from another mother.
Ooh. That shit's strong, dude. Joke's on you, I'm letting you score because I'm a crippling alcoholic.
W comms. Fake that.
Oh my god. Oh my fake. Ball game, slotted.
And you're dead.
Oh. Ow! Gotta
Whoopsie
save
daisy.
that. Come on, shoot that. You won't. Oh my god. Oh, flip reset. Oh my god. Oh my
You're
days.
dead.
Did you think you're fine, bro? Alright, bro. Okay.
Chat,
Dude,
watch
what
this
is it? Oh yeah. I'm watching. I'm watching.
Better.
And you're dead.
Aw, what? I was coming on you.
Oh yeah. Save this.
I will.
That's another sip. Come on.
Oh, that's a big one. Ooh, my nostril hairs are burning.
That's what
Oh,
we
man.
like to hear.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Tastes like straight up hand sanitizer. Doesn't get much healthier than that.
Yeah, that's when you know it's good. Mine tastes literally.
What do we?
I like hand sanitizer. Faking. Oh my god. Slotted internet, buddy. That's
no. Oh no, dude, no, Justin, no. Dude,
That's another.
stop scoring.
That's another one, dude. I'm gonna score 10. I'm gonna get 10 right now. Dial me in.
You know it's strong when your nipple starts itching.
Absolutely.
Uh-oh.
That's okay. I ain't even scared in the
Justino
slightest.
had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog. His name... I'm there.
Oh my god, holy recovery in the internet.
Better watch out, watch the bench.
It's okay.
At some
Fake
point,
musty.
I will be
Whoa,
hitting a
don't-
psycho on you. Don't wanna,
Yeah. I'm gonna be waiting for that.
oh my
Oh, my
gosh.
days.
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. That's
You're
in
not
your
scoring.
cage.
You're not scoring. Oh, dude. Oh my god, dude. Fuck sakes. Oh my god. I guess I have to take another sip. Oh, dude, how terrible.
I don't know about you, but I'm feeling good.
Oh my god. That was not the tastiest thing in the entire world.
That's internet. Take another sip.
That's a big one.
Gonna have to piss like a Japanese rabbit here soon. I think that might be a little bit sexist. You might have to take
Just
that
leave
down. Uh oh, Justin. You probably shouldn't have put that one away.
It's not even in. Oh my god. Oh great heavens.
It's alright. I'm there. Oh yeah, watch this read.
Dude,
Watch this read. Faking.
Stop it!
Yep, take it. Hit it over here. Good
Watch
girl.
this freaking.
Good.
Watch the redirect. Oh.
Oh, pop it up.
Paw Patrol. Watch this freaking psycho.
Oh!
Almost. Had like a.
Ball game.
Oh.
Nice goal, buddy! Nice goal!
Joke's on you. I was thirsty.
So you had to want another sip.
Yeah, I just felt like donating to charity.
Uh
Uh-oh.
why
you
you
gonna-
win every damn kickoff?
That's because I'm a freaking demon. I'm a unit. That's what they call me on the field.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch the reset.
My days.
Oh, well,
Dude,
I
I'm
did get
watching. You know, I'm not gonna score the open here. I'm gonna scoring that. Pop it up. Tap it up. Plan B. Yep, in your net.
Yeah.
6 sips for good old Bront so far. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I've cleared a lot of this bottle so far. It might not make it to game, like, if it goes to game 3.
Oh yeah. No. And too easy.
Venezuela. Oh, no.
Hopefully your camera wasn't directed on me. Uh-oh.
Oh!
That's okay. He can't score it. I'm gonna jump up into my fan and I'm gonna slice my fucking head off!
Chat, we need 3 more goals. 3 more goals and we get 10. Oh, shit things. Oh, did I get the bump? Yeah, you ain't doing nothing with that, buddy. Shoot that, shoot that, shoot that.
Wizard.
Good girl. Good little kitten. Good little kitten.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, you think so? And you're bumped.
Oh, fake
and
Oh.
I'm there. Faking. And I'm there. Oh, don't let this go in your cage. Faking.
Oh my god. Wait, don't let this go in your cage. Ball game! 2 more! 2 more! Oi.
I'm starting to taste the pineapple more than the hand sanitizer.
Oh yeah.
It's kicking.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, good luck. Too bad, so sad I read that. And I'm there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. And that's in your cage. Good luck reading that.
No, it's not.
Double
Next
tap
one, buddy.
Double tap do. Oh, fake.
Oh my god. Wait, watch this. Taking.
And you're gonna take another shot. Yeah. Go ahead. Open that bottle.
Oh my god, this is the worst thing ever.
Dude, why does it sound like that? It sounds like Shrek. Oh, hello? You still
Oh my
alive?
god. Still alive, barely breathing.
Alright, chat, let's make him take one more. Aww.
Yeah, nice try, buddy. On to game number 2. Let's see if we can make it to game 3. You know, I might lose this one on purpose, but I might just score 1 less than you. I don't know who that is.
Oh.
Dude, my computer's freezing. What the fuck's going on?
Oh no, that sucks. Oh my gosh, that's such a bummer. And you're not. Take a drink.
What the fuck was that?
Oh no, his freaking game crashed. That sucks. Someone cue us to game 3. One of us is blacked out by then.
Oh my god, what happened there, buddy?
Uh-oh. It's okay. Have no
What you gonna do
fear.
there? Nah, I'm
I'm
at the wall.
about
What you
to
gonna do?
hit a clip.
I don't think you've scored anything in the air so far, and it's still not gonna frickin' happen. Oh my god, where you going, buddy? Slotted in your net.
That's all.
Game.
Stop it!
It's alright. Uh-oh. That's okay.
Uh-oh!
You don't score it.
Thinking!
Yep, easy Reese. He's not prepared
you
for
ain't go
this
do
one.
shit there. What you gonna do? You ain't go do shit. Oh my god, what in great heavens? Wait, watch this.
Wow, nice one. Really had me there. It's in your cage. Better jump.
Bang! Shoot that, you won't.
Faking. Got him. I don't know why you're getting all giddy over here. You ain't scoring. I'm there.
Oh! 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 Crack the bottle!
My body wanted to reject that one. Woo.
Feeling a little loosey right now. A little loosey goosey.
I feel like I need a
Bottle.
sneeze. But I don't know if it's my
Bottle
nose or
has
my
lost
butt.
half his continents.
Huh?
You think you're funny after that one? Oh my god, bro. That was my fucking boost. Yeah, score that.
That's in your cage.
Oh my god, the bottle's almost gone. Yeah,
Here we go.
Oh. My body was rejecting that one.
And Aww.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh man, we're about to get some DUIs. I'm there. Chad, I'm about to get my first DUI. I'm about to get my first. And over your head. Oh, where are we going? And you're freaking neck. Take a drink.
Chat, this is my plan all along to lose the second one, but not by much, so he can drink more in the last.
Here we go. Dude.
What the?
Uh-oh. I think he's feeling a little loosey-goosey, if you know what I'm saying. And you're dead. What? Oh, that's off.
Yep, give me that boost,
Hey,
buddy.
don't, dude. Hey. You better knock that. No! Yes! Idiot. Faking. Got him. What's he gonna do? What's he? Yeah, it's not in.
Sit down, buddy.
Chad, if this whole bottle is gone by the end of this, I might have to call 911. I'm not gonna lie, I'm like, what? There's like, I don't know, I'm like halfway through it.
Faking.
Over your cage, over your net. And that's in your cage. Good luck, buddy. You don't save it. Take a drink. Woo, buddy!
Dude, this shit's almost gone.
Take a sip of Monster, just for encouragement.
Golly.
Uh-oh, Justin. What you gonna do here?
In your net.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I don't think so, pal.
What you gonna do here? You ain't gonna do shit. You ain't gonna do shit.
You sure about that?
Oh yeah. I'm not even gonna pre-jump it. I'm not gonna take the open. I'm not even gonna take the open. You know why? Watch this. I want that's from Ruby.
Hold on.
Ball game.
Before I take a sip, I need my I need the stars to like simmer down a little bit. Seeing stars.
I think the picture next to me is starting to talk to me just a little bit. A little weird.
Have you ever had a
Oh my
dream
God.
that you went to school naked?
All the time.
Well,
Is
sure. I'm sure that's how that felt. Take another drink. Let's go. I'm not.
Diboja.
Did you? Oh, hold on. On a real note though, have you ever had a dream where like in your pool there was a shark chasing you?
Oh, yeah, a couple times. Maybe once. What the fuck?
And that's in.
Yeah. I'm getting mad.
Okay, everyone's saying Malibu shit's weak. Mine's 21. Mine's 21% alcohol per volume. What is yours?
Mine's 40. That's very fucking close to yours. What the hell? You drinking what?
No. I'm there. No. That's not in. It's not in. I got it. Oh my gosh, my boot. What?
Where's your boost, buddy? Fake it.
Oh my gosh. You're bumped. And I'm there.
Where is he going, Jack? Where is he going? Oh.
Have you been PR trained?
Self-taught.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
I'm there.
Oh. I'm not gonna lie, shit is not moving as fucking nice as it used to. Pitch it with me.
No.
Bad kitten. Bad kitten. Hit it to me. Oh my god, you're such a good girl.
50.
Oh yeah? You ain't scoring that.
Oh yeah, you sure
Ain't
about
no
that?
way you're scoring that. Yeah.
Sure about that? That's in. Take a drink.
Oh, I don't even want to. A little bit of body fluid came up with that one.
Huh?
Nothing. Ball game.
Can I see?
In your net, buddy. Slide.
No, it's not.
Faking.
Faking. Ooh. Oh no.
Oh, I'm fucking sick. Oh, holy shit, this bottle was like pretty close to being full.
I'm sweating. It's
Oh,
getting hot
same.
in here. It's getting hot in here.
Oh my god.
It's
Holy
time for you to
shit.
take your clothes off.
It's getting hot in here, so hot, so take up.
Hey, that's in. Yes! Take a shot.
Oh.
Someone said it's like two voice actors freestyling. Oh. Just you okay? You okay over there?
No, bro. Holy shit, I don't even know what I'm fucking seeing anymore, dude. I can't even see the. I don't even know if I can see my car anymore.
Watch the freaking clip. 50'd? That's not in though. You're not hitting that.
I didn't see anything.
Better save it. You better. Oh!
That's not. It's not fair, dude.
I'm gonna throw up. 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 I did that. I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up. I got foam. I got foam in my mouth. I got.
Dude, this is not fair at all. This is. You're drinking 20%. I'm drinking 40.
I'm pretty fucked up.
And I'm not. This bottle has how what? This is a fucking 8. No, this is a 400 milliliter bottle. It was almost full.
Mine's 750.
You think you're cool? We're not comparing fucking wiener sizes.
Well.
Alright.
Life's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Oh! Stop it! Oh. Dude, I think I can wring out the back of my shirt right now. I'm being honest with you.
I think the front of my shirt has all my sweat collected. It's got all my sweat, and I'm there. I don't know if it's because I got I don't know if it's because I got a fupa or what. Take a shower. Take a shower.
I don't wanna. It's all. I got like maybe like 4 sips left.
All right, well then I'll start taking some bigger ones then.
Oh my god.
I guess you better not get scored on 5 times then. And that's in your net. That's yes!
It's not fair. This is not fair.
It's okay, I'll take his hand for you.
Oh my god, man.
Whenever I start drinking, I start turning gay, so you better watch out.
Dude, my body actually rejected that one. I had to force my body to swallow that bitch.
Oh no.
Oh. Holy shit, am I even on fucking Earth anymore,
that was
dude?
a big one. Oh, that was a big one. Oh, that was a big one.
Drank this much this quickly. I don't think I've ever drank this much this quickly. Holy fuck.
Loser has to do a shotgun. Loser of this game has to do a shotgun. You idiot. Oh, faking.
Go in! Faking!
Are you ready for this cross map? I may be drunk, but I'm not an idiot.
What are Oh! Oh my god! Shit! Oh! 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 That's okay. That's okay. We survive. We take that. That's all right. We take.
Hey there, Delilah.
Shit,
what's it
dude.
Like in
What the
New York
fuck?
City, yes, it's true. I think of you.
Times Square don't shine as bright.
Huh?
But Times Square don't shine as bright as you.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Yeah, you ain't
That's
square
it. That's not in though. It's not in. It's not in. I'm there. No! No!
Oh shit!
Oh!
Your water is sweating so fucking bad.
Ooh.
Ugh. Dude, half your videos just gonna be fucking noises.
No! Yes! 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 Yes!
What is that? Oh, hello, old friend. Oh. Oh, dude, it's bad. I didn't even have a reaction to that one. That's how bad it's getting. You did this to me! I was a good boy at one point! What the fuck? In your fucking net, buddy. What the hell is that?
No.
Slide!
No! You're teasing me! Bro, you're freaking gooning me. You're edging. You're
dude, I
edging.
wish.
You're edging. You're edging.
Oh,
You're
dude, I
edging.
edged you right there, dude. I edged myself right there. I almost had a heart attack. If I missed that, there's nothing I could have physically done to fucking get back. That's it. That's it. I'm leaving.
Please, no! I don't know how many more I can take.
I can't even get in trouble.
I'm seeing
Holy shit! It's doing so much.
I'm seeing so many cars right now. I got the shit.
Oh, dude.
I just gotta focus on the middle. That's in. Yes!
There's nothing I can physically do. I can't even do anything. Oh my god.
I'm a friggin' rock star. Yes!
I'm down to like 2 more sips.
Well, looks like I'm gonna have to win. Looks like you're finishing that bottle tonight. No! Wait,
Save that.
I got it. You're not doing nothing here, pal. Sorry.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, nice
Check
reset.
it.
Nice reset, dude. But not.
Ball game! Save that!
Well, I freaking would have if I freaking had. I had 0 boost.
Oh, dude, where? I can't see anything. I'm actually surprised I even took it up the wall. Oh!
And it's in. Did you finish it?
No, I took a smaller one that time, just so I could take one last big one. That'll finish me off.
And it's in. What?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh
What?
my god.
What?
Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh! Oh!
Got him. Got him with the fakes. And I'm lagging.
Yep, of course, buddy. That's just in your net somehow, I hope.
Nope, never.
Oh.
Don't sell.
Holy shit. I had to concentrate to get that back here.
That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to lock in. And I'm there. Woo!
It's okay, I got your boost, buddy. What you gonna do? Oh,
Oh
shit.
yeah, you sure about that? I got fuel.
Oh. Oh.
You're dead.
You go do nothing here. You go do nothing here.
You sure about that?
Ain't a fucking thing you can do. Holy shit.
You sure about that?
Faking. Faking. Oh.
That's what we like to see from Rocket League. Uh-oh. I got full beans though. What you gonna do? You got bumped.
Over you! Shit!
Dude, the bottle's almost gone.
Dude, I'm fucking sweating. Holy shit, I'm sweating. I didn't turn my fan on, dude. Golly.
Right there, chat. Bro, Justin, the bottle's almost freaking gone.
Dude, I have 1 sip left. Oh my god!
No, I'm there.
You have no boost. What you
Sure
gonna do?
about that? Yeah, I do.
Hey, try to control that. Oh!
What?
Oh!
Ah, you buns. Why are you still on? Watch the freaking clip. You better let me go for this clip, you little dweeb.
Yeah, you ain't gonna do shit. You ain't gonna do shit, buddy. What you gonna do? Yeah, nice clip. Nice clip. Oh my god. Ball game! Ball!
Come on!
Oh. Oh. You got the shotgun that drink, buddy.
No.
You're in that drink.
It's not over till the LED things! I don't know about you, but I don't hear no fat lady sing. You're dead. What?
Sip it, buddy! Oh. Oh. One more, chat. Chat, we need one more.
Woo!
Oh.
Ooh.
Take kickoff. Oh.
Make you drink that last sip. No!
Yes! Oh!